Hello everyone, this is a how-to video on creating a Twitch account and entering the bean race. Okay, the first thing you do of course is go to the link I provided. It's called The Raven Live on Twitch. Once you're on this page, top right hand corner, click sign up. If you have a Facebook account, it makes it a little bit easier, but you can create a username and password with an email. I've already logged in, so I'm going to click connect with Facebook. You'll see the page look like this. First thing I'd like to do is click follow. You can turn the notifications on and off. We're mainly streaming video games in the evening right now, but we're going to get started on the bean race shortly. And when we start the bean race updates, you have to be watching to win some of the prizes. You can turn this on and off, but later this summer I really recommend it. We're going to be doing a lot of stuff with the updates and the bean race, and you have to be getting notifications to know when we're streaming. Okay, to enter the bean race, you need to go to the chat room. If it looks like this and you can't see the chat, this is a little arrow right here. Click on this. That'll open it up. It's usually set on stream chat. That's for chatting during a live stream. We're looking for rooms right over here in the right hand corner. Click on that. That is the bean race. Click there, and as you can see that people are already entering the numbers. The sooner you enter your number, that will give you an advantage. If nobody claims a prize, for example the grand prize during a live stream, I'm going to send out messages right here. I'll put the people's name in there, and the first person who picked that number is the first person to get the message. So 5 people pick number 77. In order, I will send out the messages. I only have 80 strings. I expect more than 80 people signing up. Okay, if you have a phone, look for this icon right here. That's how you open up the chat rooms. Click on Bean Race and enter your number. Okay, that's about it for signing up. If you have any questions, there's a lot more information in the description. It talks about what the High Roller 10, the High Roller 100 is, gives a little bit of history about bean races I've done before, talks about all the prizes I'm going to be giving away, and a little bit of schedule on everything. So go ahead, please check out the description, and when we get going, I'd appreciate it if everybody could be active in the chat and have lots of fun with this. That's why I'm putting it together, for all of us to have fun together this summer. All right, thank you very much. Bye.